To the Chief Marketing Officer of McDonald's Philippines, Miss Ada Almendras Lazaro.
Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon. You know what? I know it's a long weekend. It's a holiday. Sam mentioned it earlier. Many of us could have made so many other plans, but I'm very, very grateful to see everyone join us this afternoon as we celebrate something that is really momentous for McDonald's. And as it has been mentioned today, we are officially launching My McDonald's Rewards. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you to our media partners, to our agency partners, to my McDonald's team, and of course to everyone who's here. This afternoon is really for you, for all the McDonald's fans out there. So you know what, at McDonald's, we constantly try, to really work hard in making every interaction with the brand, every occasion, every moment that you spend with us truly a feel-good moment. And today, we officially make that moment even more rewarding with My McDonald's Reward. Kasi literally, every visit, every order, every bite, may point yan. So can you imagine, whether it is going to McDo for a morning coffee run, may point yan. Or kung gusto mo mag-break sa hapon, get a fries and a burger with your friends, may point pa rin yan. Or bago ka umuwi, gusto mo mag-order ng Chicken McDo for the family, may point yan. So every visit at McDonald's really gets more rewarding and more exciting with My McDonald's Rewards. And this program really thought about the fans, and we worked on this with the fans because we know that all of the McDonald's customers are not just customers. You're part of what makes McDonald's McDonald's. And that's why we want to reward you and really celebrate every craving that has been satisfied and make more memorable moments with McDonald's. And that is the magic of My McDonald's Rewards, that whatever your order is, whether that's big or small, may point yan. And this is also a very big step for us because digitally, it makes everyone literally have McDonald's on their pockets. It makes everything very easy, very convenient, and again, very rewarding. And it doesn't become just about the transactions. This is only the beginning of what can truly become a one-to-one relationship with all our customers. So with that, again, I thank everyone for being here. Again, for our media partners, our agency partners, to all of you that are here.